Hi, welcome to my train set. That would be my new bridge. I have it going over real water, which is the sump pump water. It now works. The switch I have to go over there to change it to do it, but now I have two bridges. That one and this one. Even though this one serves no purpose, I wanted one. That's one of my old locomotives that I have. Have two of them, working on them. They come with these huge weights. I take them off. This way they run better. And that one still needs to be run, but this one works good. It's like 8 something at night or 9. What? Whatever, no one cares. Not much power over there, I guess. Put it at 50 again. Yep. Pretty much a mess down here. I'm gonna back it up and see if it'll go on. Probably not. No. I had the switch nailed down in a position. Try it again. Nope. Okay. It's going full speed. Just gonna turn it off right here and see how fast it. Must have hit the do it going down this hill. That's a pretty good stop because it's downhill right there. Yeah, but that was pretty good. But that's my model train set and